Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, we are going to diving into the world of recycle bin. Let's start with the basic. The recycle bin is like a temporary holding area for files you delete. When you delete a file on your computer, it doesn't vanish into thin air. It actually moves to the recycle bin. In this video, I am going to show you how you can clean your recycle bin and restore from recycle bin and customize your recycle bin. First, I am going to show you how you can restore your file with recycle bin. Open your recycle bin, double click on the right button of your mouse. From here, if you want to restore any file from your recycle bin, then simply right click on your file and simply click on restore. Or you can also cut, or you can also delete file from here. Simply click on restore which file you want to restore in your hard disk. Then I am going to show you how you can change properties in recycle bin. Right click on it and go to properties. From here you can see in general, this is our recycle bin location. C drive, D drive and E drive. You can see the custom size. You need to see these settings for selected location, custom size, maximum size 40,229. So this is the maximum size of your file. It will be automatically saved. If you delete any file, then it will be automatically saved in the recycle bin. So this is the maximum size. If your file is much bigger than this size, then it will be directly deleted. This file is not go in the recycle bin. Remember this. Or if you want to direct delete any file, then select this one. Don't move files to recycle bin. Remove files immediately when deleted. So it means if you delete any file, then it will be directly deleted. Or if you want to change this maximum size, you can easily change this from here. So after change this, you can click on OK. Now I am going to show you how you can empty your recycle bin. Right click on it and simply click on empty recycle bin from here. So in this way you can easily clean your recycle bin. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.